Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we're going to make a spatchcock grilled barbecue chicken. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need one whole 4 to 5 pound chicken, a cup of your favorite barbecue sauce, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of pepper. We'll start by preheating our grill to medium-high, or about 500 degrees. While the grill is preheating, we'll spatchcock, or butterfly, our chicken. We'll pat it dry with paper towels, then turn it breast side down, and cut along each side of the backbone, discarding the backbone and any organs inside the cavity. We'll make a small incision into the breastbone, turn our chicken over, and press with the heel of our hand so our chicken lies flat. Once spatchcocked, we'll rub our chicken with our 3 tablespoons of oil and season it with a teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Then we'll take it out to the grill. We'll cook our chicken skin side down for the first 10 minutes to create grill marks and crisp up the skin. After 10 minutes, we'll flip the chicken over and continue grilling for 35 minutes. It's been 35 minutes, so we'll brush our chicken with barbecue sauce and allow it to grill for an additional 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we'll brush on a second layer of barbecue sauce and allow our chicken to finish grilling. About another 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes, and our chicken should be done. If you'd like to test for doneness, insert a meat thermometer into the thigh and ensure it registers 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.